Take a ride in the 2021 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, aluminum wheels, running boards, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.